Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard from YUNZII. This is the YUNZII RT75 Pro. It's a Hall effect keyboard. That means it has magnetic switches, a rapid trigger, all of the goodies, and it looks pretty cool. As you can see, we have the layout right here. So it's a 75% layout. We have the F keys, we have the arrow keys, and page up, down, delete, and we have a volume knob right here. I'm gonna show you in a second how the keyboard looks once we get it out of the box. But basically this is the box of it, and on the back we have some specs. If we zoom in, maybe the camera can focus a bit. We have 8000 milliamp hour battery. The model name is RT75 Pro, and basically that's it. But having a battery, I think it's a 3-mode connection, so basically you can use it wired, Bluetooth, and wireless with a 2.4 gigahertz dongle, and pretty much that's it with the box. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what to get inside, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get, and as you can see we have quite a lot of accessories, so let's go through them one by one. And as always, we will start with the small stuff first. So right here we have a quick start guide, everything you need to know about the FN keys, how to use it in different connection modes, and how to set it up properly. And right here we have a more detailed user manual. Again, everything you need to know in a bit more detail, what the keyboard can do, warranty information, and so on. And I obviously suggest give both of this a read. It's only going to take you 5 minutes, and it's going to help you understand how to use the keyboard better, and basically how to get the most out of it, because it can do so much stuff. They also included 2 spare switches. They have a pretty cool design as well. As you can see, these are Hall effect switches. They have included some spare keycaps for Mac. As you can see, we have command, option, and so on, so you can change the control and all the other stuff for Mac, because this keyboard has a Mac function. I'll show you guys in a second how to switch it to that, so you can use it with a MacBook or any Mac OS device really. We have a switch and a keycap puller right here, because everything is hot swappable. You can customize it with your own switches and your own keycaps. We have a, let's call it a band, YUNZII branded, matches the color of the keyboard. You can attach it right here. I've seen this on a few keyboards. I think it's pretty cool. It just gives a nice stylish look to your keyboard. We have a USB Type A to USB Type C cable, which feels pretty solid. It's a really high quality cable, and this is used to charge the keyboard, or to use it in wire mode, or to use it in wireless mode, because this is the dongle that allows you that crazy pulling rate and rapid trigger and everything else. This is the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. You connect this with the included cable to your PC. You will have it basically behind there somewhere, and the keyboard will have basically a wireless connection to that. So pretty ingenious. Obviously on the back we have YUNZII branding and YUNZII logo, which is pretty nice. And now let's have a look at the keyboard. So the keyboard comes with a dust cover, pretty nice, especially after you finish gaming. You can just put it on, and it will never get dusty. 75% layout. We have the volume knob right here, which is made out of metal. Everything else it's pretty much made out of plastic. On the back we have some razors, which are also rubber padded, but as you can see we have rubber padding on all of the four corners, so once you place it on your desk, you won't really skid or go anywhere. You can adjust it in 3 different levels. You can have it flat, you can have it medium, or you can have it high, rubber padding as well. So everything is well thought. Now if we have a look at the connections, we have a switch right here, so you can change it from Windows to Mac. We have the USB Type-C port, which I told you you can use to charge the keyboard or to use it in wired mode. And we have another switch right here, which you can choose between wired, which is right now, Bluetooth, or 2.4 gigahertz wireless. I explained you how to connect it. It's pretty simple, and pretty much that's it with the box and how the keyboard looks like. And for now, let's just go ahead and set everything up. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks next to your setup, and maybe we do a sound test for the keys, and we're gonna check how quick, how responsive the keyboard is. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the keyboard looks like when it's fully connected to your PC and it's turned on. This is how the RGB looks like. Of course, you can customize the RGB. Everything will be in those two user guides and quick start guides. Pretty simple to use. But for now, I want to tell you guys about the connection. So to connect it in wireless mode, all you have to do is take the USB Type A to USB Type-C cable they included and connect the dongle, which they also included, and then switch the keyboard to 2.4 gigahertz, and basically it's plug and play, will be ready to go. It's super simple to use. It connected straight away, and the keyboard is super responsive. I already tested it. So if we press the Windows key, so it's almost no delay at all. So the pulling rate, it's actually insane on this keyboard. And I just like the overall look of the keyboard. I think it looks really cool. I would definitely recommend this keyboard, especially that it's Hall effect. It's specifically made for gaming. You can customize a lot of stuff, download their software from their website. Again, everything is in the manual. And for now, let's go ahead and get as close as we can to the keyboard. I'm gonna show you guys how the keycaps sound like and how the switches sound like, but bear in mind this is not a mechanical keyboard, it's a Hall effect keyboard. Nevertheless, it sounds amazing. But let's go ahead and test it. So let's try to type some stuff. Yeah, pretty much that's it. This is how the keyboard looks like. This is how the keyboard sounds like. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. Feel free to check out YUNZII, see what else they have. They have a lot of keyboards and a lot of gaming accessories and peripherals. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.